Hello everyone, and today I will show you more functions about the TD159. For this system, you can change the name here. You can see now it's Redkis. I will change it to Pager, maybe. And first we need to go to the programming mode and find the set logo. Okay, now the set logo, so we can use the name that we want. Pager, P-A-G-E-R. Okay, now I can use the send. You can see it has a beep, it means successfully. Now let's check. Okay, you can see the name has changed to Pager. Now let me show you how to change the notice time. Go to the programming mode as well. Find the alert length. I will set it for maybe 10 seconds, 1 to 30 seconds you can set. Okay, you can see it works and it's quite easy. In addition, I will show you how to send messages to this pager directly. First, we need to press the number 55 and up, down. Now you can write the words which you want. For example, box 5. Okay, you can use the right and left to change the location. 5. Okay, I need to take it off and press the send. Now you can see it received the message. So at this time, who takes this pager, who will know where they go, and it's quite easy and very convenient and save time. By the way, you can set 10 messages in advance on the PC software. And I will show you how to use the software later, so you can know that. And also, as you just see, we can write directly to call the pager as well. But if you can set on the PC, which is more convenient. If you want to know more about this device, feel free to email us at support@redkis.com and visit our website www.redkis.com for more information. Thank you. Bye.